Since 1997, American Expedition Vehicles has been producing aftermarket parts and accessories for serious off-road driving. And since last year, Chevy has been making a go-anywhere version of the Colorado known as the ZR2. So the marriage was a no-brainer. The result? The 2019 Bison, a Colorado ZR2 with even more capability, afforded by the integration of several key AEV components. For maximum protection while driving over rocky, jagged terrain, Bison features 5 skid plates covering the engine oil pan, fuel tank, transfer case, and front and rear locking differentials. Designed by AEV, these skid plates are constructed of hot-stamped boron steel. AEV designed stamped steel front and rear bumpers further shield the truck from obstacles. The front bumper contains winch provisions and standard fog lights, with recovery points integrated into the rear bumper. An exclusive flow-through Chevrolet lettered grille replaces the traditional bow tie on Bison's front end. The 31-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack off-road tires sit beneath larger fender flares and wrap all-new ZR2 Bison-specific 17-inch aluminum wheels. This new Colorado variant also features Bison decals on the bedsides, an AEV Bison logo on the tailgate, and embroidered AEV logo floor liners and front head restraints. Customers will also be able to purchase an available third-party accessory snorkel for the ZR2 Bison from AEV, ideal for air filtration while driving on dusty trails. Look for it in showrooms early in 2019. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.